The real fact is that not all GS batches are bad. Students, they consider that most of the GS batches, they have failed them. But the issue is not that GS batch is bad. Very often you join wrong batches, dear friend. Most of the time students as a beginner, they join batches that have very huge in size, dear friend. One way interaction is going on, no proper feedback, no answer writing evaluation. As a beginner, you don't need much content, dear friend. As a beginner, you need guidance, you need correction, you need accountability. And because of that, very often it happens that students, they join some foundation batch, but they drift very easily, dear friend, and finally they drop out from that batch. So we at the analytics are going to launch a very small size batch from 19th January, dear friend, for those students who really want progress in this preparation. So if you have any doubt, please call on the number given below.